Hello everyone, this is a quick follow-up video for the Dell 5560 video that I had made sometime in the past. Now this video has been up for a while and people have asked a lot of questions about it, especially about the going off and what exactly do you do about the laptop. As far as I'm concerned, the laptop is still a great laptop. Sorry, I do not know if it's a fault with some hardware or some misaligned relationship between the hardware and the software of the computer. But the reason why I'm creating this follow-up video is not because I have a real answer to what exactly is wrong with the laptop, but I have observed. Unfortunately, I can't show the laptop right now. My wife is using it. But I've made an observation, and I think it's a workaround for people that own the laptop and still think it's a great laptop to keep. So what that workaround is, because of my work, I tend to leave my laptop on a lot. And that means I don't like when my laptop goes to sleep. I prefer to hibernate the computer myself or turn the computer off or restart it myself. But it going to sleep by itself, I do not want. Now, what I observed is because of how I use my laptop, the sleep on the laptop is permanently disabled. However, I noticed that when I wiped the laptop, the problem became a little bit more consistent, and I was like, what could be wrong with it? Now, from my last video, I already mentioned that it seems like when the computer goes to sleep, it finds it difficult to wake up, basically. So I thought about that, and I decided to kill the sleep again. So I went into my, I think that should be the display setting. I disabled the sleep just so that it never goes to sleep, and that will be the display setting. And I think there are two settings that goes, either the screen go to sleep or something like that. You need to disable both of them, so basically the computer never goes to sleep. You may engage your monitor to go off, but not the actual computer. You may somehow, I don't know if the hibernate option allows you to automatically sleep after a certain time, but the point is, do not allow the laptop to sleep. Once it sleeps, it becomes difficult for it to come on. And that's exactly what brings about that same issue. I have noticed that after I wiped the laptop, I had that issue a couple of times, and I re-engaged the no sleeping rule. This is almost like 3 months now. I can't tell you that that issue has come up again. So if you have the Dell 5560 and it's refusing to come on, watch my other video, should be somewhere here, or I'll put the link in the description. Watch that other video to know how to reset it. You need to get it open, disconnect the battery, and plug it back in. Once the laptop comes back on, just disable the sleep. Laptop shouldn't go to sleep, and that would mean you not allowing the laptop to go off by itself. This would be a deliberate thing to always shut down your laptop by yourself or hibernate it by yourself. But once it goes to sleep, it's a problem. So that's this basic or simple information is why I'm making this follow-up video. I hope you find it useful. As usual, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Most of you watching the video on my channel, most of you aren't subscribed to my channel. So please, 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 we need to hit good numbers on the channel. So please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to anyone you think might find it useful, might find this video useful. So till next time, have a good one. Cheers.